Hello friends, I'm Mr. Kavanaugh, and today we are going to do a science experiment together. The materials that you will need for this experiment today are any type of glass pan or plate, a dry erase marker, and a cup of warm water. To start this experiment, take your glass plate or pan, put it flat on the table, and get your dry erase marker. What you're going to be doing now is you're going to draw a picture right on the glass. I'm going to be drawing a stick figure today playing soccer. I've learned that if you really color in the shapes and make them nice and dark, then this experiment works even better. He's going to be playing soccer, so I'm going to make sure he has a nice soccer ball and a goal to try and score it in. What you want to do now is make sure that you give this some time to rest and dry. When your picture has had a minute or two to dry, you're going to take your cup or glass of warm water and slowly pour it into the pan or plate. As you can see, what happened was the marker came right off the glass pan or plate and is now floating in the water. So I chose for my picture to be someone playing soccer that's trying to score a goal. So now we have successfully made a floating drawing. And the reason why this is possible is because when the marker dries, the water is able to go underneath it and pick it up off the smooth glass and let it float. Thank you so much for joining me today for our experiment. I had a lot of fun doing it, so I hope that you can try it at home and have a lot of fun as well.